Today, Chinese street food in my air fryer Chinese way. Air fryer hot pot and the juicy cumin beef, low carb cabbage with mushroom and low carb high protein. Air fryer tofu. We are making whole crispy chicken. 5 recipes that taste like Chinese night market but keep your kitchen clean and calorie down. Do you want to have hot pot? I know we all love hot pot. We're gonna make an air fryer hot pot in 15 minutes. So we start with the frozen hot pot stuff. Fish balls, crab sticks, whatever you like. We put on 355 for 5 minutes. Kind of wake up before the magic. Here is the magic. You put the hot pot soup base in the middle for 5 minutes. As it melts, the oil sauce coated everything. Now we open up, mix everything, all the sauce, all the hot pot oil. Oh, look at that. Then now it's the time to add your favorite vegetable. I got enoki mushroom, corn, and saltus. All vegetable in, we closed up for final 5 minutes. Easy, easy. Oh, look at that. Oh, looks so good. So now, if you want, you can boil some instant noodles, drain it, then put it in. We mixed up. Oh, the flavor is so concentrated. Whoa, look at that. Add some sesame seeds and green onions. Mix it up. Oh, so good. Look at this. Wow, the noodles. If you add any potato, you need to pre-boil them. Let's try that. Look at the saltus. Look at the hot air, steam. So crunchy. Tonight I'm fancy. I'm gonna serve my kids, my family, in this hot pot. Put it in here. Look at that. This one is for you. Wow, so good. Well, you ready? Move on to next one. Cumin barbecue beef. And today I'm making this just in the air fryer with a little help of this special tool. Look at this cool little barbecue rack I found online. I'm always order things like this online, specialty tools, ingredients I can't find locally. I share so much my life on social media, which I love doing, but that makes me an easy target for people trying to get my private information. And honestly, even I don't post much online, identity protection is important for everyone. That's why I use Surfshark. Surfshark isn't just a VPN. It protects me when I'm working in cafes or traveling, which I do all the time. But I really love its alternative ID feature. It gives me a fake email to use when I sign up things online. So I won't get a million spam emails. Chinese mom does not like spam emails. And it keeps my online activity private, even though my social media is pretty public. My business information, my passwords, everything stays protected. If you want to protect your privacy online, you can get 4 extra months of Surfshark when you go to surfshark.com/CookingBomb or use code CookingBomb at checkout. First, we chop the beef in little cubes. So remember, cut against the grain. Then we put soy sauce and oyster sauce. I measure with my Chinese eyeballs, but I have a recipe for you on my website. And I know a lot of you, beef come out dry and chewy because the high heat and the wind in the air fryer dries out the meat. So now we add a little bit of cornstarch that adds a shield to the beef. Also, some cooking oil will help lock the juice inside and air frying evenly. Mix with gloves or your chopsticks. Then we marinate for 10 minutes. Now we put the meat on this little tiny skewers. Yes, a little extra time, but look at this meat rack. Put it right in my air fryer. Fit perfectly, but you can just dump the beef in the single layer on high heat 400. Air fryer for 8 or 9 minutes. In the middle, like 4 minutes, check, then flip them. Make sure all the sides are charted. I'm just gonna leave. I see them later. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, drop the oil. Still juicy, not chewy at all. Tastes just like back on the street. My daughter's here visiting. I'm gonna have her taste all the food. In the end, we're gonna move on to next one. For low carb cabbage. This one, warning. If you're already very skinny, do not eat this. Because the calories is so low, it's like you didn't eat at all, but you feel so full. Oh, I eat this whenever craving some food, spicy, or as a midnight snack. This is Chinese flat cabbage. My grandma always say, when you use a hand, tear them apart. They taste better than chop with knife. They can grab spicy sauces much better. Raise your hands. I also like some enoki mushrooms. Then we wash everything clean. Then add my favorite soy sauce. And sprinkle on any barbecue sauce you like. I just add my chili pepper powder, Sichuan peppercorn powder, cumin. Mix it really well. Put in the air fryer, lay them flat, spray a thin layer of the oil. Now we cook at 320 for 10 minutes. Of course, you're gonna open it a few times, mix them very well because you don't wanna burn the top. Oh, this smells so good. When it's done, we sprinkle some sesame seeds in here, mixed up. Oh, let's eat this. Look at the cabbage and the mushroom. Wow. It's spicy, crunchy, so satisfying. I can eat the whole basket because it's just all fiber and water, which is good for you. Next one is another low carb, high protein. Let's make air fryer tofu. This is in my new cookbook, Traditional Wellness Recipes. Check the link here. Get one now. Tofu is complete protein, 9 amino acids, all your body needs. Look up fancy words for you. We cut it in little squares, put all in this aluminum foil. And we crack 4 eggs. Oh, drop one. Use your best kitchen tool. Yes, chopsticks. Then we pour over the eggs evenly. Sprinkle half of this green onions on top. Now we put the tofu in 365 for 20 minutes. The eggs fuse to the tofu, create this golden chill. Of course, if you miss my pickle jar, we're gonna use the ingredients here. This is 20 years old. It's older than you. Here's another video I tested if this is safe. I need chili peppers. You can use the fresh one, but if you have a pickle one, it's gonna taste really good. Smaller red pepper pickles, we're gonna make this secret sauce. Then we put the rest of green onions, chopper garlic, and the red peppers in the bowl. Soy sauce, add my homemade chili oil, whatever you like, or barbecue sauce. Oh, more salt, sugar, and sesame oil. Water. After 20 minutes, take it out and pour over your secret sauce. Then we put back in for another 5 minutes so the sauce heat through, then flavor coming in. Whoa, look at that. Crispy outside and tender custard inside. Now the last one, the star, the whole chicken. This one takes the longest time, but because we're gonna make the skin crispy, little extra facial treatment. I'm only working on hands-on time, maybe 10 minutes. Rest of time, air fryer do the work. In China, we like to blanch the chicken with ginger, green onions, splash of cooking wine for 10 minutes. Did you see the foam? So there are 30 things, impurities coming out. So chicken will taste more delicious and clean and get rid of these funky smells. If you are lazy, just pour over really hot water. Tighten the skin, skip the boiling. Tighten the skin, that means a crispy skin later. Take the chicken out while it's warm. We give a little bath with soy sauce, dark soy, water, sugar, and add some green onion, ginger. Then we put the chicken in, gently massage it a little. Then we marinate it in the fridge for 2 hours. After 2 hours, look at the color. Actually, my color is darker because I marinated overnight. Just put it in and go sleep. Now, air fryer on 180, 15 minutes on each side. We are drying the skin. Remember, flip the chicken. So when there is 8 minutes left, we brush with some white vinegar. The acid breaks down the surface, makes the skin paper thin. This is a secret, get it crunchy. But if you don't care about a crunchy skin, you don't have to do it. After drying, we brush with this marinade and white vinegar again. Now crank up the temperature to 350 for 15 minutes. After 1 minute, we spray oil once again, then leave it alone. Look at that deep fried texture. So crunchy. All the fat drip away. If you have a 6-quart air fryer, it's better to pick a chicken under 3 pounds. I know, your chicken here is so big. Mine is about almost 4 pounds. That's kind of too big, but still tastes good. The tofu here is ready. Look at the feast I made here. All right, let's try this first. Look at that jiggly. Jiggle, jiggle. So satisfying. My daughter's here. Come here. 来来来，看一下。Okay, you want me to feed you?
Yeah, sure.
Very spicy.
Hotpot flavor is strong.
Take off 1 piece of meat here. Look at that. We just eat with fingers. I'm still feeding you. Big, big adult baby. 最喜欢哪样?
Both of this.
What's
your favorite?
You. Let me know which one you want to try. Comment below here. There are more air fryer recipes I will do. Lazy recipe for lazy people like you. Like you. See you. 再见. Bye bye. 再见.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
So formal.